Hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how you can actually create lists in HTML. So what are lists actually? So lists are for showing different kinds of elements in a list format, such as bulleted list or a normal numerical list. So that is actually what we do in HTML list. So let me just create one HTML list here. So for creating a list, we can normally, let me just tell you how you can create a list without any uh, number. So without a number, you can create a list by using a UL tag, which is which stands for unordered list. Unordered means there is no order in this, like the one, two, three, the order. There is no order in that. And just like the table tag, we have this parent tag, which is UL. Inside that, we specify the list items, which is called LI in short. And inside that, you can specify the number, for example, mango. I can close that LI and can create one more list item, which is apple, let's say. So you have to remember this syntax. The UL tag is there and the UL tag is closed. And inside that, we are specifying a single item or a list item in an LI tag. So this is actually what we do. And if I refresh the page, then you will see that two items are there and they're having a bulleted list. So this is actually how we create a list. Similarly, we can change the list type here. For example, this bullet you see here, you can I change that bullet if you want. So for example, if you want to change that bullet, so you can directly write here type equals to, let's say, circle. So the bulleted list will be in circle. You can also change that to a square. So that will be in a square. You can see that. And you can also write none here if you don't want any bullet to appear. But I'll stick to the default one, which is this bullet, which is a dark bullet in circle. Similarly, we can create nested list items. If I want to create one more list, for example, if I want to specify a different color of mango, like the different type of mangoes are there, which are available, so I can create that nested list inside this li. So I can create this li, and inside that li I'm specifying the text I want, and after that text I want one more ul li or the unordered list inside that mango to appear. So I can create that ul inside this li. So in which I want that list to be nested, I'm creating that inside that li only, and that ul should be presented here. I can create li, and let's say I'm creating a red mango, and I can close that li. Remember to close this li inside this ul only, and then I can create one more, let's say green mango, and I can close that li. So now what will happen is we'll see one nested list inside this mango. So you can see that in the mango, there is one nested list, which is a red mango and the green mango. And you can see the bullet is automatically changed because this is a default behavior HTML gives to us. You can also create one more nested item inside this red mango as well if you want. So let's say if I want that, so I'll be creating the same ul li list inside this li. But you have to remember that you have to create that inside the li in which you want that to appear, and inside that I can specify any nested item I want. So I can specify the red mango type, let's say. So let's say the item is red mango London, red mango, let's say Japan. And if I save that, so we'll see one more nested list inside this red mango. And you can see the list is automatically changed to square one. So this is actually how you create unordered list, and you create unordered list in a nested format as well. And I also told you how you can actually reformat this bullet as well. So if you don't want that, so I told you that you can add type here inside the li, and you can change that to circle or anything you want. So you can change that to anything you want, so it will be changed to circle now. So this is how we actually create an ordered list. I hope you got something. In the next video, we'll talk about the numbered list or the ordered list. So let's meet in the next one. Thank you for watching.